This is Derek from Future Vision and Growth Norm. I want to show you my son's very favorite taco truck called Tacos Los Watches. It is over by Mr. Shortstop. Again, it is in the East Lindsey District. Incredible food, awesome things. They got tables sitting outside if you want to hang out. It's across the street from a shopping center, diagonal from Taco Bell. Trust me, a whole lot better than Taco Bell ever will be. Delicious food, excellent street tacos, and just a neat place. It's over in the East Main District. It is right next to Armstrong Bank. It's about 100-200 feet east of Lindsey east of 12th and Lindsey. So come check them out, come see what they've got going on, and come eat some great food. They can't wait to have you here, and it's just amazing. Very, very affordable and incredible food.